Welcome back to Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine. Today we are cooking jollof rice, and we are making it with steak, and we got steak and gravy. Now get that rice into this pan. I want you to season it up. Get your cayenne pepper, get you some paprika, get you some onions, get you some salt, get you some pepper. And the rest, you gotta holla at me, cause it's a secret to my recipe. Now, enjoy the sizzling, baby. I wish you could smell this rice. It smells so good. It is yummy for the tummy. Smells so good. Now plate this up and taste it. Now heat your grill up. Season your steaks. Grill your steaks. Yes, the grill was piping hot and they are grilling nice and juicy. This is a divine grilled steak. Enjoy. This steak is being dipped in gravy. Pour your gravy on top of this juicy steak. I thank you for choosing #BetterAce on Sundays at 11:45 a.m. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, enjoy a juicy steak. Always a pleasure. You go be great. See you next week. Thanks.